Today we're making a vanilla custard tart in the shape of a pumpkin for fall. Let's get started. Hi guys, and welcome to this episode of Caked. Today we're making a vanilla custard tart in the shape of a pumpkin for fall. I love this recipe. It's the same recipe that I used in my Eid video when I made the moon and the stars, so you can go check out that video too. But I love vanilla custard, so I made it again because I just really wanted it again. But I actually should have made this into a pumpkin flavored tart because that would be so good. Or with gingerbread cookies. Oh, that's a great idea for a future video. I should totally try that, because that would be delicious. But plain old vanilla is fine by me too, and I love this. I definitely recommend trying it. The recipe is in the description box below. Let's get started. To begin, I let my dough sit in the fridge for about an hour and then took it out to roll. You have to let it warm up a bit in your hands before rolling. Then roll out the dough maybe about a 1/4 inch thick. I made myself a little pumpkin template because I didn't have a pumpkin cookie cutter, but cookie cutters would probably be easier for this. Then just cut around your template, so you could really do this in any shape that you want. You're going to need to do this in even numbers because each tart will have 2 cookies. Put them on a tray and put them in the freezer for about 5 minutes before baking so that it prevents it from losing its shape while it's in the oven. Bake your cookies for 10 to 14 minutes. You want it to be crispy, but you don't want it to be browning. So make sure you take them out when it starts to look like it's about right. Let them cool completely before putting the icing on. In the meantime, I made some super yummy vanilla custard. The recipe again is in the description box below. I decided to dye them orange and yellow just to give it a little bit of depth when I was putting it onto the tart, and I made some of it in brown so that I would have some for the stem. I made little leaves out of green fondant for this. You can do this with your custard too by dyeing a little bit of it green and putting that in a piping bag as well. Then I started piping away to make it look like a pumpkin. I used brown for the stem and a mix of the yellow and orange for the body. Then you want to put the other cookie on top and do it all over again. Normally I would use a 1M tip for this, which is super versatile and you can use it on a lot of things. For some reason, mine has gone missing and I have no clue where it is. I've looked everywhere. So I actually made a special trip, went out to buy this tip, bought it at Michael's, which is 15 minutes away, came back, got home, and it wasn't in my bag. I don't even understand what happened. Then I decided to go to Bulk Barn, go get it from there, and then they didn't have any more. So forget it, I'm not using the 1M tip today, but that would probably be the best one to use, and I just decided to choose another one that I had on hand. Really, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. Just use what you got and go with it. Then the best part is you can top it off with whatever it is that you'd like. Sprinkles, chocolate, gold leaf, fruit, flowers, macarons, cookies. Whatever you'd like, go for it. I had some of these candy pumpkins lying around, so I used some of these and these cute little balls in gold and rose gold from Sweet Polita that were just so cute. Then to make these a little bit more shiny, I added a little bit of edible sparkles. These are adorable if you're having a little dinner party and you want to give each person their individual thing, and they taste so good and they look super cute, so you'll definitely impress them. Just waiting for the sun to come back so I can finish this video because it got really dark out of nowhere. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Have a wonderful Halloween, guys. Hope you guys enjoy yourselves. Stay inside, don't go out, but get dressed up, do it for fun. Enjoy your week. Bye.